This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kellie Coulter. Charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath fully furnished retreat in Murphy, NC. Discover your perfect mountain escape in this wooded and peaceful getaway. Open floor plan and bright skylights are A+. Step out to your private screened-in porch with a jacuzzi to enjoy the crisp mountain air. Cute little outbuilding has loads of potential. It can be used as guest space or additional storage. Less than 10 minutes to downtown Murphy, restaurants, and shops. Don't miss out of this adorable cabin in the woods. For more information, review the details below or contact Kellie Coulter at 828-835-8500.